Oh no, my God! The ice is so big! Bumalik siya, bumalik! Umigana na. Ano? Yan na. Natamaan siya. Toy! Ayaw niya. Gusto niya humiga. Winner si Ate Rich. Rich! Hello, mga kakilay. What are you doing?
I'm driving to my house.
Wow, did you make it? Can you see it again and then you make it again? Can you broke it and then you make it again? Okay. Tapos, ayan yung mga laruan niya. Rich will teach us how to make a
house.
Okay. First thing you do is
a family. It's a boxes.
And then
Make a house again. It's the wire.
okay. Okay. Let's get started.
Okay, I will get a frame. I will unan.
And then how many unan?
Mama, wait, I will put the painting.
Okay. Okay. Nagagawa po siya ng bahay-bahayan. And then papatong ang unan. Tapos yan, ang bubong. Tapos
Dito.
ano yan?
Houses. Houses. It's a house. I'm making a house.
Okay na? That's your house? Where's the bubong?
Ito.
Wow! Ang galing naman ni Baby Rich. Hi! Is that your house? What's your name? Oh no! Broke.
It broke.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Why did you broke it? Hala na, ulan.
Broken her. Mommy, can you make my house blue again?
No, you're the one. Di ba you make it kanina? With the green, with the green kumot.
Okay. Put pen, and pen, and pen.
Uh-oh.
And here we go. And this, and another one.
Tapos,
Tapos, maybe ganyan. Ganyan. Patong, mayaki.
wow! Ate Rich built a house again. And it's so beautiful. Wow!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Don't go to guys.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Hey. Good morning. Inigo. Dito ka, ate. Sa tabi na Inigo. Dali. Talk to Inigo. Dito ka. Ano mo kamay? Yan. Good morning. Uy. Uy. Hindi pa ako sa tiyan. Ano? Lady, suntok mami. Ano? Ano sinusuntok ang mami?
No.
Hindi niya pa alam yun. Ano? Sinusuntok mami. Jesus! Oh. Baby, tawag ka ni ate. Dali, ayun, tawag ka ni ate. Oh. Oh. Love. Love ikaw ni ate, ha? Love ang dalawa. Ayan na. Love mo si ate, ah. Love ikaw ni ate. Ano? Huh?
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Why you don't know? Maybe Day is big eyes and Ate Rich is big eyes din. And Mom is small. Yeah, oops. You have big eyes, both of you. Oh no, my God! The eyes is so big! You look like two. The baby's eyes is small. Oh no! Which eyes is that, Daddy or Mommy?
Yeah.
You both look like
Mama.
Mama or Daddy?
Mama.
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 Nanay or tatay?
Nanay.
Nanay. Ano? Oo daw. Sabi ni Baby. Your eyes look like what, Day? Nanay or tatay? Day.
Broken.
Huh?
Broken.
Alin? Ang tit mo. No, broken ang tit ni Ate. Or si Day wala pang tit. Because Day is small pa.
I don't have teeth then.
Wala kang tit din.
Okay. Just like I say.
Na? Oh. Kick and kick and kick. Oh. Lilikot ni Day na. Oh, hello. The eyes of Baby is getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
And me.
And Ate Rich, no?
He's making toy and toy and toy.
Yeah.
Our baby.
Ate Rich is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. He's talking to you. No. Talk to ate.
Oh!
Baby, tawanin mo.
Pugit mo! Pugit!
Talk to ate. Talk to ate, talk. Baby, yung Bilis Anda. Bas, dali, kantahan mo siya. Oh, Bilis Anda, bas, go round and round. Dali.
Go.
Go! Go, dali, go! Dali, go! Dali na, go na, go!
Mama, put them in again.
Go to ate. Go. Ayun, ang paa mo baka pag-atin. Ay, ayun na, hihiga na uli yan. Dali, go up. Go, Dave.
Go, Didi, go,
Don't help him.
Go, Didi,
Ayun.
go,
Bird na siya. Go, Dave, go. Walang taas.
to the toy.
Yeah. Ala, ang taas na. Kinataas ang ulo niya.
Go to Atwitch. Go to
Ayan na.
Atwitch.
Ihiga na uli siya. Move your feet. Ang taas na ng ulo ni Dayday. Hey, Day!
Atwitch. Go to Atwitch.
Dayday! Ayan na, napagod. Dayday! King. Dali. Higa na. Dali, go. Higa na.
Baby.
Iya mo siya. Po yan. Higa na. Humiga na. Oy. Humiga na si Dayday. Naku.
Again.
Again pa, Dayday, again.
Missy, stop him. Mama, it's not Mary.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ayun na. Dayday. Ang taas ng head niya.
Just like a cow.
Yeah. Oops. Hihiga na naman yan. Yeah, bumalik. Ayun na. Bumalik siya. Umiga na naman. Umiga na naman siya, Ayan, he's looking at you. You talk to him. Namba.
Do that again. Mommy, do that again.
Okay. Yan na. Natamaan siya. Toy! Ayaw niya. Gusto niya humiga. Winner si Ate Rish. Talo si Putoy. Nakahiga na siya. Naiwan siya na. Kasi he's too small.
Mommy, I want to get again.
Naman, ayaw na. Antok na siya. Oo. Galit siya. Oh, oh, bakit? Oh, tok, tok. Ano? Naglaro kayo ni Lola. Naglaro yan ni Lola. Anong gusto na? Bakit na naiyak yan?
Mommy, you forgot.
Ano? Dali, karga.
Hey, go with us. Hey, go with us.
Yan natin lalagyan sa tubig.
Dito sa me. Ay, mama. Kasi. Dede.
Ayaw mo ng ganyan. Sasayaw yan ni ate, anak. Isasayaw yan ni ate. Anak. Oh, anong gusto ba?
What gusto pa?
Ay, antok na siguro yan.
Ano
gagawin natin?
Ba't na sleepy na siya?
Ay, sleepy na. Sasayaw na ni mami. Alam, baka marinig pa siya ng mumi. Dali lang. Ako.